What I want to do today is connect our Notion and Slack apps so that when a database item is filled out on Notion, a message will be sent out in a selected Slack channel. Zapier is a no-code tool, making it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial so you can try it, risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I'll need to create a Zap. I can do this by clicking the Create Zap button on the left-hand side of the screen. Once I do this, I'll need to set up a trigger. Because I want my new database items in Notion to trigger a message in Slack, I'll need to use Notion as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click New Database Item as my event and then click Continue. The first time we set up a trigger, we'll need to authenticate the app with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Notion account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses bank-level encryption. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. Once you do that, you should click what page you want to show up on your Slack account when you post. I'm going to click my Calendar of Events page. Next, click Test Trigger, and you're all set with the first step. Click Continue, and we can start creating our action. Type in Slack into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click Send Channel Message, and click Continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate Slack with Zapier, just like I did with my Notion account. Click Continue, and it's time to set up the parameters of our action. First, pick the channel you want your data to appear on. My channel is called Tutorial Video, so I'm going to click that. Under Message Text, I'm going to put a custom message. I'll click Sender and then type in has set up an event in Notion. I don't want the messages coming from my email, so I'm going to use a bot to send out the data. I'll name my bot EventBot, and then I'll click Continue one more time. Click Test and Review, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime you create a database item in your Notion page, it'll automatically send a message into your selected Slack channel. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.